What is going on, my individuals? Drexler here. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So today I have 6 unique rules to instantly upgrade your style and take your own personal look to the next level. By the way, if you end up digging this video, I'd really appreciate a nice big thumbs up. And if you're a subscriber, be sure to hit the notifications button if you want to stay updated with all my content. Alright, so number 1. Integrating pieces based off of your personality. Now this is where you start to create your own unique style. You may have a similar look to somebody else or a group of other people. However, you can definitely set yourself apart from the rest when you start integrating accessories or pieces based off of you, your personality, your passions. For instance, growing up, I played basketball all of my life, so whatever I wore out in public, whether I was dressing up casual or, more classy, whatever I was rocking, I made sure that I was either rocking Jordans or Kobe's on my feet. And nowadays, since I'm very passionate about health and fitness, a lot of my outfits involve activewear. For example, some days I'll rock a flannel with some sweatpants or joggers, and yeah, it may look weird to some people, but it's my thing and I dig it and I feel great in it. Alright, now let's move on to the topic of glasses, which by the way, glassesusa.com is sponsoring today's video. Now if done right, a pair of glasses can make any outfit pop. Glasses will actually add a little bit more definition to your face, and in my opinion, they won't only add a little oomph to your outfit, they can drastically change up your whole entire look in a really great way. And on top of that, they can definitely make you look more attractive. And by the way, this is another thing that you can do according to your own personality. Just like I mentioned in the first tip, you can choose glasses that give you a more edgy look. You can go for something a little bit more classy, like you see here. Or, you can also go for something a little bit more out there and a little bit more unique. Whether you have perfect vision or not, glasses are a perfect addition to your outfits. And that's what's so awesome about glassesusa.com. You can add any type of prescription to almost any pair of frames or sunglasses, which is what I did because my vision isn't too good. Or if you already have good vision, then obviously you don't even have to worry about that. And they offer over 4,000 different styles of both eyeglasses and sunglasses. They come in all kinds of different colors and prints. By completely cutting out the middleman, they offer prescription glasses at up to 70% off of the retail price. So the price point is crazy. A complete pair of glasses starts at only $30. Plus free basic prescription lenses are included with every frame. So be sure to check out glassesusa.com. I'll be sure to put all the information down in the description below. I also have a huge deal that you guys will not want to miss out on. Again, I'll put it all down in the description below for you guys. Number 3, now a rule that so many dudes forget to do is to follow the Instagram style hashtag pages and to, just feed off of the feed. Meaning this, look at what other dudes are rocking on the style hashtag page, or, say you bought some new Jordans, say Jordan 1s, follow that hashtag and look through to gain inspiration on how you could style your Jordans the same way. Number 4, invest in one jacket once a year. Now, I know this may not seem like a lot, however, as the years go by, you will start creating a wide variety of jackets in your wardrobe. Of course, as long as you buy high quality pieces and take care of them. I do the same thing myself, and honestly, over the years, I have stocked up like crazy. Also, if you're a beginner and you don't have a wide selection of jackets, I would always suggest for the first couple of years to go for black jackets. This is simply because if you go ahead and purchase a brown jacket or something crazy like a bright color like red, it's gonna be a lot more harder to style that jacket with other clothing pieces, because if you're a beginner, you're not gonna know really how to match it right and how to make it look good. Number 5, now for my beginners, really take note here. Simplicity is key. And that goes for both the style of clothes that you wear and the colors. For beginners, this honestly should be the first thing that you focus on above all else. If you're not really sure what you're doing as far as fashion goes, or say you do know what you're doing as far as fashion goes, you really can't go wrong with keeping it simple. Basic tees, minimal logos, no patterns, keeping the bright colors down to a minimum. And honestly, you guys, if you do this, you're more than likely gonna outdress all of your friends, simply just by keeping it simple. Which leads me into my last tip, which is an effortless tip that goes along with number 5. If you're rocking a basic outfit, go ahead and throw on a pair of kicks that really stand out. So for example, say you're wearing all black, go ahead and throw on some red shoes. This will make your outfit pop like crazy. And when you walk out in public, people are gonna think that you have mad style, but in actuality, you're just keeping it pretty simple with a little outfit pop from your shoes. And honestly, this is something that I personally do to this day. If I'm having a day where I don't really know what to wear, this is a method that I will always go for. So I hope you guys dug today's video. Before I go ahead and start today's motivational message, it is time for the individual's inner circle shoutouts. So first up right here, we have Hines. Next up we have Christian. And last but not least, we have Sunny. Just want to say thank you guys so much for all of the love and support that you constantly show me every single day. All right, now something that I wanted to talk about today, I actually wrote it on my Instagram and I asked the question, why do we let the opinions of other people become the scorecard for what we think of ourselves? When we strive for the acceptance of others, it will always leave us feeling unsatisfied and never good enough. Now, this is something that I've dealt with in the past, and actually something that, being a YouTuber, something that God is still, helping me through. And if you're like me, or you are simply a human, we have to remember that we can't give power to people who don't truly know us or who are not invested in our lives. And when you're constantly on the search for the acceptance of others, this leads you far off of the path that God has for you and the many blessings that are in store. So a great question that I try to ask myself every single day is, what is God calling me to do right now? Then whatever that thing is, design and base your life around it. So I hope you guys dug today's video and got a little something out of it. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite tip, and be sure to write your Instagram username so I can give you a shout out in my next video. So my name's Drexler, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Shaka bruh.